What the fuck is this? Mr. Krabs holds up a Krabby Patty.
What's wrong, Squidward, me boy?
Don't me boy me, you crusty old bastard. I found out your dirty little secret.
Secret?
Oh, don't play dumb with me. I know you've been putting semen and ketamine in the Krabby Patty recipe.
Did someone say semen?
Oh no! Mr. Krabs would never do something like that.
Shut the fuck up, SpongeBob. You're just as clueless.
No, hold on there, Squiddy.
Don't try to defend yourself, you sick pervert. Do you have any idea how disgusting that is?
Simone.
Patrick?
Sorry. So... All right, fine. You called me red-handed. Or should I say white-handed? Let's that's his own joke.
You are one sick son of a bitch. Get out of here before I call the cops.
Runs away well off in many colors.